Just about how long you've been here and how you kind of kept the Raider thing going when they were even in LA. And yeah, you've been here a long time.
Family's been in business since 1946. We moved here in 1960 in this location, and at the same time the Raiders started. My brother Bob sold programs at Frank Field. We've been Raider fans ever since the beginning, all through the lost years or the dark years in LA. We never said LA, we always said Oakland Raiders. We continue keeping the torches burning, as I told Al Davis. We'll keep those torches burning forever.
Awesome.
Raider fans forever.